Another day, another story. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to address a common issue that many of us face: the lack of confidence. Whether it's in pursuing our dreams or simply expressing ourselves, confidence plays a crucial role. In this video, we'll discuss why confidence is essential and provide you with practical tips to overcome it. So, let's dive right in. Confidence is like a muscle that needs to be nurtured and developed. Unfortunately, many people struggle with self-doubt, which can hinder their progress. But fear not. By implementing these strategies, you can gradually build your confidence and achieve your goals. Segment 1. Understanding the root causes of low confidence. Before we can tackle the lack of confidence, it's important to understand its root causes. There are various factors that can contribute to low self-esteem, such as past failures, negative self-talk, and comparing ourselves to others. It's crucial to identify these triggers and work towards overcoming them. Segment 2. Embracing self-affirmation and positive thinking. One powerful way to boost confidence is through self-affirmation and positive thinking. Start by acknowledging your strengths and achievements. Take a moment each day to reflect on your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Surround yourself with positive influences and limit exposure to negative environments. Segment 3. Setting realistic goals and celebrating progress. Setting realistic goals is vital for building confidence. Break down your larger goals into smaller, achievable steps. This way, you'll experience a sense of accomplishment as you complete each milestone. Celebrate your progress along the way and remember to be kind to yourself if you stumble. Failure is just a stepping stone to success. Segment 4. Stepping out of your comfort zone. One of the best ways to boost confidence is by stepping out of your comfort zone. Challenge yourself to try new things, even if they make you feel uncomfortable or nervous. Each small step outside your comfort zone will help expand it, making you more resilient and adaptable. Segment 5. Surrounding yourself with supportive individuals. Surrounding yourself with supportive individuals can significantly impact your confidence levels. Seek out friends, family, or mentors who believe in you and your abilities. Their encouragement and constructive feedback can motivate you and provide a strong support system during challenging times. Segment 6. Practice, practice, practice. Confidence grows with practice. If you're struggling with a particular skill or activity, commit to practicing it regularly. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become, and the greater your confidence will be in that area. Remember, even the most successful people started as beginners. Conclusion. Overcoming a lack of confidence is a journey that requires patience and perseverance. By implementing the strategies we discussed today, understanding the root causes, embracing self-affirmation, setting realistic goals, stepping out of your comfort zone, surrounding yourself with supportive individuals, and practicing, you can gradually build your confidence and achieve success in your endeavors. Remember, you are capable of amazing things, and the world needs your unique talents and perspectives. So, start believing in yourself, take that leap of faith, and watch your confidence soar. That's all for today's video. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering discussions. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay confident and keep reaching for your dreams.